If the government was adding them to the budget, who and his APC people are incompetent, and Tinubu needs to resign immediately. So Nigeria needs a competent president like me. I'm on the ballot for the coming presidential election, and I'm contesting on the ANC. And I'm the only person that can deliver Nigeria from this mess. President Tinubu has put Nigeria since they assumed office. So I beg all Nigerians to vote for me in 2027 so that we can take back our beloved country. Nigeria is our country, and we need to act fast and fight to take back our country, Nigeria, from the hands of those Western puppets called APC. Our beloved country, Nigeria, is too precious to be called a disgraced country by a nobody because of President Tinubu and his APC people.